Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest stable version of the Vivaldi web browser, version 4.2, is now rolling out. It started rolling out yesterday on the 15th of September 2021, and this also means we have been bumped up from version 4.1 to 4.2 in this latest stable release. Now, version 4.2 comes with a couple of new features, numerous bug fixes, some minor updates, and also the Chromium engine, the Chromium platform, which Vivaldi is based on, has also been upgraded to the latest version, and that carries some very important security fixes to the Chromium platform. Now, as many of you know, Vivaldi comes with its own built-in translation tool, which can be found in the top right corner of the address bar in the browser. Now, in version 4.2, this has received a nice little upgrade, and now if you go and select text on their web page, you can right-click that selected text, and in the context menu, you will now see Translate Selection. And if you click on that, it forms a little drop-down menu where it auto-detects and translates the selected text into your preferred language. And mine says apple muffins with crumble and caramel cream. And then you can also choose a language to translate from, and then obviously a language to translate to. You don't have to stick with those default options. Now, the web browser also comes with its own built-in QR code generator and scanner, which is a great way to share information across your devices. Now, in version 4.2, you can now display a QR code that allows you to quickly share the page to another device using quick commands, keyboard shortcuts, and mouse gestures. And if I just quickly go to my quick commands and I type in QR as an example, you will see now that the blue banner says create QR code for active page. And when I click on that, there's my QR code, and I can scan that across my different devices. And I think that's a nice, simple and easy and quick way to share information across your devices. Now, if you don't see the QR code scanner, which I don't think is actually enabled by default, what you can do is you just head over to your settings, and on the left in address bar, yeah, you can, if it's not enabled, you can just check the box and it'll enable QR code generator. Now, another highlight worth mentioning is the buttons in the Vivaldi's web panels are now scrollable. So if I just enable my panel quickly, if my buttons here on the left were going, past the bottom of my screen, that would make them scrollable. And then I can use my scroll wheel now in version 4.2. I can't actually demonstrate this, but if they were going past the bottom of the page, with your scroll wheel now, you can scroll and navigate through your different buttons in the web panel. So that will just make navigation a lot more simple and effective in the web panel. And then the last feature worth mentioning, the key feature, is that a new search engine called Neeva, N-E-E-V-A, has been added to the list of privacy-friendly search engines in the Vivaldi web browser version 4.2. Now, at the moment, this is only on an initial limited rollout, and that's for users only in the United States. And at this stage, it's not clear if that will be rolled out in the near future to other regions of the world. But at the moment, that new search engine, Neeva, is only available in the United States. Now, if we just quickly head over to our release notes, and I have mentioned these key new features that have been added to version 4.2. And if we just go here quickly, you will see here that they say we have focused on providing fixes and polishing some rough edges. And there is a whole lot of bug fixes and minor updates, too many to mention in this video, that have been upgraded and fixed in version 4.2. And I will leave a link down below to these release notes for you to go check out in depth if you are interested. Now, as always, if you'd like to see if you have the latest version, just head up to your menu to help and check for updates. And if it hasn't done so already, this will update you to the latest version of the Vivaldi web browser. And if we just go back quickly to help and about, the latest version you should be on now is version 4.2.2406.44. And as mentioned, the latest Chromium version has also been upgraded, and that's Chrome 93.0.4577.83, and as mentioned at the start of this video, this latest Chromium engine carries very important security fixes that have been addressed in this latest update. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.